How to save battery while playing Fortnite on Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. I'm going to show you a couple ways you can save your battery while playing your Fortnite. Head over to your settings first, and here scroll below onto apps, and search for Fortnite. Then here tap onto battery, then toggle on restricted. This restrict battery usage while using this app is running in the background. Even though this will only work when the app is running in the background, it will also save your battery while playing Fortnite. Now, other way to save your battery while playing Fortnite is turning on a dark theme in your Android device. Tap on display, then tap on dark. Then you can also lower your brightness in order to save some battery. Toggle on adaptive brightness. That will enable adaptive brightness to your Android device. And make sure that you are not using your phone while charging. This will also drain your battery, and try not to full charge your battery. You can always charge your battery up to 95 and leave your phone if it reaches 30%. And these are some ways you can save your battery while playing Fortnite. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.